Following counties in Nebraska, Buffalo and Dawson. This is a severe thunderstorm warning message. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Adams County, Northern Franklin County, Eastern Kearney County, Northwestern Webster County until 3 p.m. At 2:09 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail. These storms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Hartwell to Minden to Hill.